Hello guys, this is Gospel Ugiagbe. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can stake with crypto platform. So if you want to stake on crypto, just keep on watching and I'm going to show you how you can stake your money on Coinbase.com. You want to know how? Just keep on watching. Let me take you now to my smartphone and show you step by step how you can stake on. So guys, the first thing you have to do, come to your Google Play Store here and search for Coinbase. I will search for Coinbase. Coinbase, I will click on enter. So it's going to open. Install it if you have not installed Coinbase. So once you have installed it, the first thing you need to do is to register on Coinbase. So to register, you have to click my link in the description. If you use my link, you'll get $25 bonus when you use my link. So make sure you use my link to get your $25 bonus. So let's go. So what you have to do once you have your Coinbase app, you need to register. So to register, you need your first name, last name, your email address, your password. You re-enter your password, you click on create and your account to be created. The next thing, Coinbase is going to ask for your verification. You are going to verify it with a selfie and your document. Let me say with your passport or your national ID. It depends on what you have. So once you are done with that, Coinbase is going to verify your account within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, your account is verified. Congratulations, you are good to go. The next thing you are going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. So to log in, I'll go back to Coinbase. I'll go back to Coinbase now. I'll just go back to Coinbase in just a second and I'll open here. You will see that this is my account. I have $61.25. So the first thing I want you to do is to deposit money into Coinbase. Deposit at least the minimum amount of $50 plus, or you $50 or $100 into your Coinbase account for you to start staking with this method, for you to start making money with this method. So what I usually do, I used to do long time staking. Like my staking is 1 year. So this is the $61 I put into this my Coinbase account. I'm putting money every single month. So this $61 you see here, I will just leave it all the years, maybe 2 years, 3 years. I'll just leave it here. So I used to do long time staking in case maybe the crypto platform or the crypto company I'm staking with, maybe they fall, or if they fall a particular time I want to withdraw my money, I will just leave it. So I love long time staking. That is the short tips I just want to say there. And the first thing you need to do is to enter your credit card so that you'll be able to deposit money into your Coinbase account. So to deposit money into your Coinbase account, you need to click on this section where you say buy. I will click on buy here. So once I click on buy, we say select AdSense to buy. I will click on, let me say, I will look for the AdSense I want to buy, like Bitcoin. I click on Bitcoin here. I will just come here, enter like $25, or I will just say, okay, $50. I will just do like $50 here, $50, and you will see at the top, the bottom of $50, you will see where it say one-time pay purchase, one-time, daily, weekly, monthly, or weekly or monthly, or every single day, just depend on you. So choose one. I will say one time, and it's on one time $50, and I will click on say buy Bitcoin, pay with Euro wallet. I will click on that. I will say I want to pay with my credit card, select my credit card, and all I just need to do is to click on this section where it say buy. So once I click on buy here, it's going to pop this up telling us how much Bitcoin is. You will see BNB, which is the payment method, and you can see the purchase, which is $48, and you can see fee, which is $1.99, and total, which is $50, 50 euros. And if I click on buy now, the money, I'll process the payment and the money will be deposited into my Bitcoin wallet. So that is it. That is how you can deposit money into your Coinbase account. So once you have deposited money into your Coinbase account, let me say, for example, you want to withdraw your money from Coinbase. What you have to do, you need to scroll down. You need to go to this section where you say asset. Once you click on asset here, scroll down, you will see where you say euro. If I click on euro here now, here I'll be able to transfer my money into my paper account or into my bank account. If I click, let me say the balance I have here, let me say is up to $100. I will just click where you say cash out, and I'll enter $100, and I will select how I want to receive my money, either by paper or my credit card. So that is how you can cash out. Now you know that. Let us go back again. To start staking with Coinbase is very simple. What I usually do, I used to look the platform that is on. If we click on asset here, let me click on asset. I will click on asset here. You can see my portfolio here. You can see my portfolio. You can see I'm staking with DAI. I'm staking with DAI and Cosmos, Tezos, and Agorand. So that is the three company I'm staking with on Coinbase. So how you can start staking, you have to click on this icon here and click on where it say N. So once you click on N there, you will see Tezos, you see Agron, you see Cosmos. So to see how much that you'll be making from any one of those platforms, I will click on Tezos to see. Here you have to read through to see how much this company is going to hold your money and when you will receive your money. You can see, you will see how much this company is going to keep your money and so on and so on. So just read through and make sure you go through everything to understand how much you will make. As you can see, say Tezos earning staking yield earning is 4.63%. So that is what I want you to pay attention on. So that is the amount you'll be making per year. This is not every single month. This is per year. So if I click on Tezos now, I click on view balance. So to deposit money into my Tezos account, I will click on buy, just like we did how we deposited money into our Coinbase account. We enter here. Let us say we enter like $50 again or $58. We'll click on top here and select how we want to pay. If we click on buy now, it's going to take us to where we are going to look through how much we get and the tax we are paying and everything and so on and so on. You can see the fee on Coinbase, which is $2.99. The total balance, which is $58, and I click on buy now, the money will be deposited into my Tezos account and I will start staking instantly. So that is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple. And if you want to stake with other platform here, you can come here again, go through what I recommend that you should do, look into their market to see if it's something that you can start staking with. So look into the market and be sure that this is a guarantee company that you want to stake with. I want to say that when you are staking on cryptocurrency, you need to understand that the market can go up, it can go down. So I want you to understand that you can lose your money. You can put like $100, but at the end of the day, the $100 will become $80. It depends on the platform. So you need to make sure you do proper research to know the kind of company you are trying to invest your money on when it comes to crypto platform. So I just want you to do this. Do your proper research and see if it's something that you want to get involved into. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video. I hope that you enjoy it on how you can stake with Coinbase. So I'll say thank you very much. And again, don't forget to sign up with my referral link from Coinbase, which will give you $25 when you use it. Use my referral link, $25 when you use it, so that you'll be able to get at least extra cash to start staking on Coinbase. So I will say thank you very much, guys. And I will see you guys soon on my next video, a way on how you can make money online. See you soon. You can watch this my video that will pop up that will show you how you can make money with affiliate program online for 100% free, up to 10K. Watch it right now.